If you've walked past that weird pale green bulb with leafy stalks sticking out of it and had no idea what it was, that's Kohlrabi. Today we're breaking down what it actually does for your body and where it can go wrong. Rich in vitamin C, Kohlrabi is loaded with vitamin C, offering more per cup than many citrus fruits. This nutrient plays a major role in strengthening your immune system, helping your body fight off colds and infections faster. Vitamin C is also essential for collagen production, which keeps your skin firm and helps wounds heal properly. Eating Kohlrabi regularly can give your immune defenses a real, noticeable boost. Supports digestive health. This vegetable is packed with dietary fiber, which keeps your digestive system moving smoothly. Fiber adds bulk to stool, preventing constipation and promoting regular bowel movements. It also feeds the good bacteria in your gut, supporting a healthy microbiome. A well-fed gut microbiome has been linked to better digestion, reduced bloating, and even improved mood. Helps manage blood pressure. Kohlrabi contains a solid amount of potassium, a mineral that helps balance sodium levels in the body. This balance is key for keeping blood pressure within a healthy range. Potassium also helps relax blood vessel walls, reducing strain on your heart. Including potassium-rich foods like Kohlrabi in your diet is a simple way to support long-term cardiovascular health. Aids in weight management. Low in calories, but high in fiber and water content, Kohlrabi is a great choice if you're watching your weight. It fills you up without adding a lot of calories, which can help reduce overall food intake. The fiber also slows digestion, keeping you satisfied for longer periods. This makes it an easy swap for heavier, calorie-dense side dishes. Boosts bone strength. Kohlrabi provides a decent amount of calcium and manganese, both of which are essential for maintaining strong bones. These minerals work together to support bone density and reduce the risk of fractures over time. Regularly including Kohlrabi in your meals can be a small but effective way to protect your skeletal health as you age. Possible side effects. While Kohlrabi is generally safe, eating too much can cause digestive discomfort like gas or bloating due to its high fiber content. It also contains compounds called goitrogens, which in large amounts may interfere with thyroid function, especially in people with existing thyroid issues. If you have a thyroid condition, it's best to talk to your doctor before adding large quantities to your diet. Cooking Kohlrabi can help reduce the concentration of goitrogens, making it a safer option for sensitive individuals who still want to enjoy it in moderation. So that's the full picture on Kohlrabi. A simple vegetable with some real benefits and a few things to watch out for. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.